Beer is more than just a beverage. It is a part of world culture that has accompanied humanity for thousands of years. Today, billions of liters of this golden drink are produced in factories around the globe. Behind every bottle lies a complex and delicate process that combines agriculture, science, engineering, and tradition. In this video, we will look into the heart of the beer industry and see how beer is born, from grain to finished bottle. The classic beer recipe is simple: water, malt, hops, and yeast. But it is the combination of these components, their quality and proportions, that defines the taste, color, aroma, and even the foam of the drink. Water is the main ingredient. Its composition and mineral content directly influence the taste of the beer. Malt is sprouted and dried barley or wheat grain. It creates the base flavor and provides the sugars for fermentation. Hops add bitterness and aroma, while also acting as a natural preservative. Yeast are living microorganisms that convert sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Without these four elements, no beer style could exist. The process begins at the malt house. Barley is carefully cleaned and soaked in water. Moisture awakens the grain, and it begins to germinate. Inside, enzymes are activated that break down starch, turning it into sugars suitable for future fermentation. After a few days, germination is stopped. The grain is dried in special kilns. The temperature and duration of drying shape the color and flavor of the future malt. Light malt produces mild beer, while dark malt results in rich beer with caramel and coffee notes. The dried malt is sent to mills, where it is crushed. The result is grist, a mixture of husks and the inner grain. This becomes the base for the next stage, mashing. The malt grist is mixed with hot water in large vats. This process is called mashing. Under the influence of enzymes, starch is finally broken down into sugars. The water takes on a golden color and a sweet flavor. The resulting liquid is called wort. The next stage is boiling. The wort is pumped into a brew kettle, where it is brought to a boil. At this moment, hops are added. Hops are added in stages. The first portion provides bitterness. The second contributes aroma. The third creates subtle flavor nuances. Boiling not only releases the properties of hops, but also sterilizes the wort, destroying all unwanted microorganisms. The result is a clear, aromatic, and rich liquid. After boiling, the wort must be quickly cooled. Special heat exchangers are used for this. Once the temperature becomes optimal, yeast is added to the vat. This is where the magic of fermentation begins. Yeast actively converts sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Depending on the style and technology, fermentation may last from several days to several weeks. Here, the foundation of the flavor, the body of the drink, and its character are formed. There are two main methods. Top fermentation, ales, occurs at higher temperatures. Yeast rises to the surface, creating fruity and spicy notes. Bottom fermentation, lagers, takes place at lower temperatures. Yeast settles at the bottom, producing a smoother, cleaner, and more refreshing taste. These two methods have given rise to the vast variety of beer styles known today. After active fermentation, beer is still not ready. It is sent to special tanks for maturation. Here, it ripens, becoming smoother and cleaner. During maturation, excess substances settle out, and the flavors and aromas merge into harmony. Depending on the style, maturation may last from a few weeks to several months. It is here that the beer's distinctive character is truly born. After maturation, beer becomes clearer, but it still contains yeast and small malt particles. To give the drink its final look, it is filtered. Modern breweries use different methods. Mechanical filters that trap yeast and protein compounds. membrane systems that provide microscopic purification, or even centrifuges that separate all excess matter in just seconds. Filtration makes the beer crystal clear and ready for the next stage. One of the main features of beer is its refreshing effervescence. In most cases, it forms naturally during fermentation, when yeast releases carbon dioxide. But to ensure the drink has consistent bubble saturation, breweries apply additional carbonation. Beer is infused with carbon dioxide under pressure to achieve stable flavor and that pleasant fizz when opening a bottle or can. Before beer is bottled or kegged, it undergoes strict testing. In laboratories, specialists check alcohol content, acidity, color and clarity, aroma and taste. Both instruments, spectrometers, gas analyzers, microscopes, and human expertise are used. Yes, breweries employ professional beer tasters. They determine whether the drink matches the brand's flavor profile. If even one parameter is off, the batch is sent back for reprocessing. Now comes one of the most spectacular stages: bottling. Giant filling machines are capable of packaging thousands of bottles per minute. Beer is delivered to the filling hall under pressure to preserve carbonation. Bottles and cans are pre-sterilized with steam and checked for cleanliness. Then the machines dispense beer with milliliter precision. After filling, containers are sealed with caps or aluminum lids. The entire line works with incredible speed and precision, eliminating the risk of air or bacteria entering. Each bottle or can receives its label, listing the name, alcohol content, expiration date, and barcode. But beyond information, it is also part of the brand. Packaging design plays a huge role in the beer industry. After labeling, products are grouped into cases or pallets. Robots wrap them in film and prepare them for shipment. From this moment, beer looks just like we are used to seeing it in stores. In addition to bottles and cans, a significant part of production goes into kegs. Large metal barrels. They are intended for restaurants, pubs, and bars. Kegging follows a special process. Containers are sterilized multiple times, filled with beer, and hermetically sealed. Thanks to this, the drink retains its freshness and flavor until the bartender pours it into a glass. Finished beer is sent to warehouses. Here, optimal temperatures are maintained so the drink does not lose its qualities. Then global logistics takes over. Trucks, trains, shipping containers, and even planes deliver products to different countries. Each batch has its own code, allowing it to be tracked from the factory to the store or bar. This vast chain ensures that millions of consumers enjoy fresh beer every day. Although factories are automated, beer is above all the result of human work. Engineers, technologists, workers, logisticians, and tasters keep the massive system running every day. But the most important part is cultural. Beer brings people together at celebrations, in pubs, and at stadiums. It has become a symbol of communication, friendship, and joy. The story of every bottle of beer is a journey through barley and hop fields, factory lines, laboratories, and warehouses. It is the result of the labor of thousands of people and the operation of complex equipment. Every sip is a combination of science, art, and tradition. And perhaps this is why beer remains one of the most popular drinks in the world. From bustling pubs to quiet evenings at home,